Are you thinking about investing your money or crypto into xskyBit.com because it looks like a clean, professional, and modern trading platform? Before you do anything, you need to hear what I found. xskyBit.com claims to offer trading in top cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Coin, and it tries to build trust by name-dropping major investment firms like Andreessen Horowitz and Paradigm. But here's where things start getting suspicious. There's no actual proof of any of these partnerships. They just mention the names without linking to anything official or showing evidence, which is a classic trick used by scam sites to fake credibility. The site might look polished on the surface, but when you start digging deeper, several serious red flags pop up. For starters, the domain is extremely new, and there's no traceable history or reputation behind it. That's always a bad sign, especially in the crypto space where trust and transparency are everything. Then there's the design. It looks eerily similar to known scam platforms like Yak Token and Coin, almost as if it was copied and rebranded. That alone is a huge warning sign because those sites have already scammed users out of their money. On top of that, there are no real reviews, no verified users, no online feedback, and absolutely no community presence. They also make vague claims about advanced security but provide no real details, certifications, or audits to back it up. It's like they want you to trust them blindly without giving you any reason to. While I won't say 100% that it's a scam, it clearly isn't a platform you should trust without solid proof.